and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
Good day, people. Journey continues. I'm on my way to Albies at Boothwyn Farmers Market. We're going to check out their sandwiches, known for their burgers and their crab cake. So we're going to see what it's hitting for. Well, we're going to check out the burger from Albies. Also got some sticky buns. Something I've been wanting to try. Some hemp tea. It's peach lemon dandelion. Donuts, some Long Johns. See that? Well, we came here to try Albies burgers and their crab cake bites. They got this cake called the Key West cake that I'm gonna try. Get you the inside. It's supposed to be fish, shrimp, crab. Tastes like it's a bunch of filler. The taste of it's not bad though, but it just tastes like filler. Try with some tartar sauce. There's whole pieces of shrimp in it, as you can see. Not bad. $6.99. They do have a counter in there to eat, but I wanted to do a review. There's a lot of people walking around, stuff like that. I got my food. Came sit in the car. It's not bad for $6.99. You can get fries with it. I got no fries, none of that, because I'm going to eat like 3 things, so. This hemp tea tastes different, but it says it's made with hemp seed oil. Traditional flavors of peach, lemon, and adding the earthy, nutty, and pleasantly bitter dandelion makes for a delightful sensory experience. Play with your senses, yeah. Not bad. What's up next? Let's see what we got. These are the crab bites right here. Horrible. Don't get these if you come in. Don't get these. They're horrible. I don't know how their crab cakes are, but these are horrible. Spicy. As a filler, like, I don't know what's going on there, man. Crazy. Not good. So what I came here for was the burger. I got it very simple, just some mayo, fried onions, because this is what they known for. It looks like a handmade patty, so let's try and see what it's hitting for. Burger's not bad. What I wanted is what I got. So it's just a regular burger with real meat. This is not frozen. You can tell this is ham. You can look at it. It's ham batted. So that's good. $4 for that. Like a bakery bun. They got different kinds of California, different stuff you can get on there too. But I just wanted a burger. That was me. I just wanted a burger. I wanted it plain. So when you start adding all that stuff to the burgers, it seemed like it takes away, or they masking something. Because my thing is, I want to know what's the meat. What's good? Is it real meat? Is it frozen meat? What's going on there? So a good burger, you can just eat, fry it, maybe some salt and pepper, and that's it. You don't even need the cheese and nothing, because the meat is what's doing it. And that, it's worth it. It's worth what they, the crab bites is a hell no. I'm just letting y'all know. Don't do that one. It's like overly spiced. I don't know what they have going on there, but it's not good. Just don't do that one. So I'm at Albies, Boothwyn Farmers Market. They're open Friday and Saturday. The time is from 8 to 9. Albies does sell like a full menu. They have breakfast, lunch. So they have hamburgers, the crab meat, fish. They also have French toast, waffles, and turkey bacon, all that kind of stuff also. They're at the end of the market. They have a sit-down area. You can sit in there and sit down also. I mean, I recommend going for the burger. I tried the Key West cake. That's pretty good. I would recommend it. $6 for that. The crab balls, no, I don't recommend them. They're not good. I don't know. They're trying too hard. That's what it is. They want a little bit overboard with that one. But the burger is good. Now I got these Long Johns. They said that they make them at Shady Maple in Pennsylvania. Anybody know about Shady Maple? It's a smorgasbord, sells fried chicken and all that, and their pastries and stuff is supposed to be phenomenal. So I got a peanut butter jelly, a coconut, and 2 vanilla sprinkles. I also got sticky buns out of there. They had one, I've never seen this before. It had walnuts, cashews, raisins, and pecans. Walnuts, cashew, raisins, and pecans on the sticky bun. So I got that, and I'm going to try that. That's also here. And then, like I said, they open Friday and Saturday. It's a farmer's market. It's called the Donut Haven. That's where I got. That's where I got those from, the sticky bun, from the Donut Haven. So if you come to Boothwyn's Farmers Market, check out some of the food, check out some of the stuff. FYI, to some of you guys who come to these farmer markets, I want you to let y'all know and understand that these people aren't Amish, they are Mennonites. It's a difference. The Amish do not travel, they do not come outside of where they're at. A lot of the meat that they sell here is conventional meat, and it's not organic, it's not grass-fed, the vegetables are not organic, and if you ask them, they will tell you. They don't hold and lie. For some reason, there's a perception in society that some of this stuff is better, and it's no better than you going to the supermarket right now. This is the same stuff that they sell. If you want that kind of stuff, which I buy, grass-fed and stuff like that, you'd be better off going to, Trader Joe's and look into what they have. Go to Whole Foods, or you find a butcher who works with local farmers who has a limited supply of meat. And they can tell you basically these meats are grass fed, what's going in them, what's happening with them. But don't come to these places and believe that you're buying something better for the higher prices that they charge. They up the prices, but it's the same stuff that's in the supermarket. And a lot of the people in here, they're honest and they will tell you what it is. I had a discussion with one of the guys. Like, he told me, he's like, yeah, you're right. I don't even eat the meat. He's selling it, but he don't eat it. And, you know, like he said, he gets it from where he lives, from local farmers, and he buys like a half a steer, cuts it up, and he freezes it throughout the winter, and as he can use it. But basically, people, beware of what you're doing, beware of what you're eating. I know you see me do these food reviews, but a lot of the food that I consume at home, if it's not out, is basically organic. You know, I try to follow those types of things, organic, grass-fed. I try to buy good quality stuff. You can ask when you go out to these places, and you can ask them what they're putting in, what the meat is, what it is. Some people will know, some people won't know, but it blows my mind that you're selling food and you don't know actually what you're selling. So just beware, you know, of some of these places. And also, as always, I thank you for watching. I thank you for listening. Please share, please like, please comment, hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, I need more subscribers on the YouTube channel, Philly DJAWN. If you're watching it on the Facebook page, at the Philly DJAWN Podcast, check out the phillyjawnpodcast.net. That's another site. We're going to bring you 4 to 5 installments a week, 3 at the most, 1 live cooking show. So Sundays, if you get this, stay tuned every Sunday. We're going to do a cooking show this Sunday, which is October the 14th it'll be. I'm going to be doing Rasta pasta, but it'll be all organic, vegan Rasta pasta. So check that out. That'll be this Sunday, 14th. Check out the merch page, Philly DJAWN merch. It allows me to travel, allows me to do all this stuff and bring you these videos. If you want to be a Patreon or patron, please go to patreon.com/Philly DJAWN. There's 3 different levels there: $1, $5, $100 will get you a place that you want me to eat at with you, and we'll go out, eat, film it, and it'll be on the different websites and the different social media accounts that I have. Always check me on Instagram at one Philly DJAWN. And always, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Carry on, people.